Hey, this is AC Locke here, guys. I'm so excited. I'm standing right here with Krystal Parker, and you're with the U.S. Christian Chamber of Commerce. She's going to be at SoftWashapolooza, guys. Believe it or not, in less than 2 weeks. You're actually speaking on Friday, which will be 2 weeks from tomorrow. And you're the author of The Best Robot Wins. We were just talking, and she's doing a talk on The Best Robot Wins, which is kind of intriguing. I don't know exactly what that means, but why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and about your book?
Awesome. I'm so excited to be with you guys. A little bit about me is my background is oil and gas, and I wrote this book to help businesses structure in a way to extract the greatest value from your number one asset, which is your people.
Yeah.
I can't wait to be with you guys and share more about this book. It ain't personal, it's just business. And the best robot, which is like your business, will win. And we're gonna put together the best businesses for you so that you can win.
That's awesome. And you guys know at SoftWash Systems, Krystal, we like to win. It's all about winning with us, using our God-gifted talents and opportunities. We're a Matthew 25 company, and we just want to make sure that we're always doing the best we absolutely can. And that's why we're bringing you in, because you've got a great message. And guys, we're excited about Krystal. Make sure you're there. No, most of y'all have already bought your tickets. We're just letting you know the talent lineup this year is awesome, and we'll see you guys at SoftWashapolooza.